traditional ceremonial rituals.
Ashamshanje n'ekicweka Yeihangwe niwe minisita w'ebyesente Henry Musasizi yaikacha ikorero hayegwire briefcase ya Abeebembezi Yeihanga ya trillion 84 na billion 4 na bwanyuma aharishamna na Yeihangwe mukuru w'Yeihanga yatahamu obwari kwakirwa speaker w'ishenjero Yeihanga ahamwe na nomuhwezi we na bwanyuma ko baheza kushitama speaker ya eta minister Henry Musasizi okwasa kuba nashomera parliament hamwe n'abanya-Uganda Embaririra y'omwaka ogwa 2026 kandi aha bintu government etirema amani omumbarireji nebya human capital development ebirime by'amagara ebyo bwegese ahamwe na nebyo kwegesa abantu obukugu kandi ebintu bija kutwara sente eziri kwingana trillion 13 na billion 500 ebya PIDA na physical infrastructure nibija kutwara trillions 10 na billion 8 ebyo kwerinda nibiza kutwara trillions 10 na million 200 kandi ebyo buhinji no bulisa bitware trillions 2 ahamwe na million 200 ebya Afcon ono kwetebekanisa nibija kumaraho sente eziri kwingana billion 297 na million 300 otireho nebindi oguyayongera yagira ngo nibija kongera sente aha parish development model obwari kongeraho miliyoni 100 ahamwe no kushagika obuhinji na nobulisa obw'omurembe.
Domestic revenues Uganda shillings 45.96 trillion, of which 40.16 trillion is tax revenue, 4.02 trillion is non-tax revenue, 1.44 trillion is petroleum revenue, and 339.8 billion is local government revenue. 2. Domestic borrowing, Uganda shillings 11.97 trillion. 3. Domestic debt refinancing is Uganda shillings 13.97 trillion. External borrowing for general budget financing is Uganda shillings 1.22 trillion.
Minister yagamba ahakuteka amani ahakombe ko butare obwebihingwa ahamwe na no kongera mutindo ogwebihingwa. Minister yashoborora ngo sente eziri kwingana trillion 8 na billion 18 ezo kushagika Embaririra nizija kuruga omushoro gwa Uganda. Rero sente eziri kwingana trillion 11 na billion 9 nizija kuruga omukweguza. Sente eziri kwingana trillion 11 na million 2 nizija kuruga ombuyambi narishi external project support kandi sente ziri kwingana trillion 1 na billion 4 nizija kuruga omusente eziraruge omumajita.
The budget for financial year 2026-2027 totaling to 84.39 trillion has therefore increased by Uganda shillings 2.78 trillion from the revised budget of Uganda shillings 81.61 trillion for financial year 2025-2026.
Minister yahamiza abanya-Uganda nkoko ebyentasi ya Yeihanga bikiri kurungi ahabo businje na nebyo kwerinda ebiri omwihanga. Bwanyuma yo kushoma Embaririra Yeihanga mukuru w'Yeihanga His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni omukugamba kwe yagira ngo entasi ya Yeihanga ekiri nungi munonga ngo kandi bareno bagenda mu mission no kushagika abanya-Uganda okubahereza sente okurebeka ngo bayeha ombworo. President yayongera yehanangiriza abantu okuratira ebiragiro bya government ari kugira ngo bari kwenda guze ebintu byabo bayine kureba ngo bakorera ombutare.
The market, if you want to selling, you sell in a shop or a market or a supermarket. But you now say, no, I want to sell on the roadside. Really, this is not for that. This is for walking. Then you get people supporting that they are politicians. Really sickening. The swamp is for water. Swamp is for water. It is not for Amayuni, not for Rumonde, not for Marukwang, no. It is for water. It's for water. And that swamp is a savior. We are here, we have been here for 4.5 million years.
Oguyagamba abantu abari kuzaho mbisharara na nabo abari kugezaho ahakorera ibintu bitarimwe ombisharara ekiyagira ngo eki kine kurekeraho. President Museveni yashaba abanyabutegeki omukumukwasa omukuranisa Ahabushomankuzi na nabo abari kurya sente eza PDM otireho na no kubinga abantu abari kukorera omubisharara ahamwe na nabo abari ahangudo.
So for now, please let all the political leaders take the lead in getting our 33% of the people who are in the outside the money economy to join the money economy. Do so with the Chibaro, then we deal with the others, value addition and so on, like the minister was saying. I thank you and I wish you good luck.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.